Welcome to the SI Academy of Class 8th, first chapter crop production and management. Okay, next we are doing simple activity. Okay, this simple activity is there. How to study? This activity will suggest that or conclude that which plant or a plant requires some raw materials to grow. Right? Take a for to do this activity you have to take some moong dal or gram seeds. Okay, take some moong or gram seeds and germinate them. Germinate means they have to grow, so that seeds are immersed in a soil and that will grow like this. Is called as what? Germination. Okay, germination means what? That seeds are started growing. That medium or that method is called as what? Germination. Or that period is called as what? Period of time is called as germination. Select the three equal sized seedlings. Okay, you have to take a three equal sized seeds. You have to take it. Okay, equal sized seeds you have to take it. Take three empty glasses or similar vessels. Okay, for that you have to take three empty glasses. Mark them A. You have to mark A, B and C. You have to mark them A, B, C. And to glass A, add little bit amount of soil mixed with little cow dung. Okay, first for A you have to add soil plus which one? Cow dung. Okay, you have to add for A soil plus cow dung. And B you have to add B in the glass B, put the same amount of soil mixed with what? A little urea. Okay, first this first glass, second glass means or container you can take it. We named as this is C, this is named as B, and this is named as what? A. And A is mixed with again the same amount of same sized what seed we are taken in the three what container vessels. In the first we are adding soil plus what? Cow dung, right? So in the second case same amount of soil plus we are adding a small amount of urea. It is a chemical fertilizer. In the third case we does not add anything. Okay, like a cow dung or a urea. So you have to add water daily for these three cases or three vessels continuously for 7 or 6 days, and observe which plant grow faster or which plant germinate faster. Take the same amount of soil in the glass C without adding anything. Now pour the same amount of water in each glass and plant the seedling in them. Keep them in a safe place. Water them daily. Okay, same. Again they are saying same thing only. Again we have taken three C, B and A. In that we are adding we are added some kind of water. Some kind of, this is soil plus cow dung, this is soil plus urea, and this is nothing, only water plus soil is there. And after 7 or 8 days or 10 days, within 1 week or 2 week, which plant grow more fastly and which one is grow lesser. Okay, this is simple activity is there. Okay, in which this is the A, this contain what? Soil plus cow dung, and B is contain soil plus urea. It does not contain any kind of soil, so does not contain any kind of urea plus cow dung, only soil plus water, soil plus water plus urea, soil plus water plus cow dung. Okay, in which case plant grow easily means in A it will grow, the plant will grow healthy, right? B will grow faster, and at the least in the case of water in the C, right? Okay, so did all plants in all the glasses grow at the same place? Okay, this answer is what? No, all A, B, C does not grow in a same way. All are grow in a different rate of germination. The seed will germinate in the A is different, B is different, and C is different. All are not growing in a same phase. Which glass showed which glass showed a better growth, that is A only, because we are added cow dung, that is the organic matter. And in which glass was the fastest growth, that is B, because that contain what, fertilizer urea. Okay, we first all plants does not grow in a same way, correct. In which plant does not plant better growth, that is the a cup or a vessel having a better growth, and fastest growth is what, B, right. So already when the B is contain urea, A is contain cow dung, this does not contain any substance that can that can make the faster growth or a better growth. Fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in particular nutrient. Okay, so in the case B we are added urea, that is urea, correct. Urea is a what, chemical substance, that contain a particular nutrient. This urea is one type of chemical fertilizers. It contain some particular nutrient in it. How are they different from manures? It is also helping in the growth of the plant. And manure is also, there are two types of fertilizer already discussed, that one is a manure and another one is what, fertilizer, correct. There are two types of adding substance in the crop field. One is a manure, one is a manure, another one is what, fertilizer. One is fertilizer is there, and another one is a manure. Both are helping to the crop grow better, correct. But what is the difference between manure and fertilizer? Why we are calling different names? Manure is a different and fertilizer difference. Why these are called as a manure and fertilizers, and what they will do particularly to the plants field? Both are giving nutrients only, but what is the difference here? Fertilizers are produced in factories. Main difference is what, fertilizers are prepared in factories by chemicals or by man-made. These are what, man-made. They are produced from the factories. Examples of fertilizers, remember that examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, sulfur phosphate, potash, and NPK. These are the major chemical fertilizers available to the farmers. What are that? Urea is there, ammonium sulfate is there, super phosphate is there, potash is there, NPK. Okay, this is NPK is very important for the plant growth. What they contain? Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Okay, whenever in our exam they will maybe ask, expand the NPK. Expand the NPK means N for what? Nitrogen. Simple. N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, P for phosphorus, K for potassium. Okay, remember that these are the three very essential nutrients for growth of any plant. These are main raw materials or raw nutrients required by the plant to grow very best way, or best quality of crop will be produced depending on these three nutrients only. Which type of nutrients? NPK. Okay, that are provided by the fertilizers that are prepared from what? Factories. This is the main difference. What manure is prepared from naturally by the waste of animal waste, plant waste. These are prepared by naturally, but sulfate, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK, urea, these are made from the factory. So these are called as a different name. This is the main difference. They are prepared from factories, they are prepared naturally. The use of fertilizers has helped farmers to get a better yield of crops such as wheat, paddy, and maize. Okay, so these the fertilizers are mainly helping helping the crops such like as what, wheat, paddy, and maize. By the help of what? Using a chemical fertilizer means the yield will be, the production will be very high as much compared to the using of manure. The fertilizer will gives what? More yield compared to the manure. But the another disadvantage of using fertilizer is there. The uses of fertilizer will gives the more yield, correct. It will provide So the advantage of fertilizers are so very large. The advantage of fertilizers are larger, but the major disadvantage of this is what it will cause us some soil pollution. That is the major thing is there. The use of fertilizers has helped farmers to get better yield to crops such as wheat, paddy, maize, but excessive use of fertilizers had made the soil as less fertile. If you are using more chemical fertilizers, that makes soil to less fertile. Means the fertile means what, this soil is help for the growth of the plant. So the upper layer of the soil is called as a fertile soil. The upper layer of the soil is called as what, fertile soil. Means it is suitable for the growth of the plant. If this soil is reduced, means the plant does not grow. Whatever you have to added in that large amount of fertilizer added, means also the plant does not grow, because the soil is not supported to the plant to grow. So that soil will be vanished by the excess use of excess means more use of fertilizers. This is the major disadvantage of what, fertilizer. If you are using a fertilizer, means it will give more crop yields, but if you are using continuously, means they will damages our fertile soil. Fertilizers have also become source of water pollution. It also becomes what, water pollution. If that soil contained fertilizer that passing through the water, means that water also get polluted. Therefore, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute fertilizers with the organic manure, or leave the field uncultivated in between two crops. Okay, so the best method is to does not use the fertilizers. You can use little bit, but we cannot use continuously. Instead of we can use organic manure. So that is the best method to reduce the usage of fertilizers. We can use the organic manure. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.